our face. It's a lifestyle. Cause I got your picture, I'm coming with you. Dear Maria, count me in. There's a story at the bottom of this bottle and I'm the pen.
I'm the champion, I'm the champion. Stop. This is my world, it cannot be rocked. You can't rock my world, son. Took a lot of work just to reach the top. Did a lot of climbing and I made it.
Speakers booming in the back, baby. No, coming for them stacks, baby. No, I'm pretty, that's a fact, baby.
Gonna finish the job. Last time you had hope. You had hope because one dumb judge gave you that fight when everyone else knows that you lost that fight. But this time I'm gonna make sure I finish the job. So no doubt.
Things you can't lie about. There are
You're
some
gonna
things
look
that
at
you
me.
can.
You're gonna look at me.
There's
You're gonna
some
look
things
at me.
that
You're
you
gonna
can lie
realize that it's
about,
over.
and
This
what
is
you
it.
can't lie
You
about
can't
is
beat
that
me.
face
There's
that you
nothing
had
you can
after
do
your fight. The same face that you had after like the John Blachowicz fight you had against me.
Guys,
I'll finish the Italian job, part 2.
Marvin, a lot of personal heat on this one.
Hey, it's a pleasure to meet you, bro.
Finally meet you, man. Easy
Man.
ass. Not thanks for, bro.
Man, I'll be fine definitely. Man, I'm excited to meet you, bro. I'm a huge fan of you, bro.
Likewise, man. I like your collection as well.
Ah, man,
you got
thank
way
you.
more than me, though.
Really?
Like,
You're a collector too?
I don't collect, but like fans give me a lot of them.
Okay, you have some.
I have some.
Okay.
Just on my like gaming system, so I've got a few plunkers hanging around. I see yours, it's like stacks.
Ah, man.
Do you ever take them out the? You don't take them out the box, though.
Nah,
Never.
come
Keep
on,
them,
never.
of course.
Never,
Yeah.
never, bro.
I'm that kid.
Man, nice to meet you, bro.
Gracias, my man.